It's gift set season at Boots, and L'Oreal have created gift sets for all budgets. Let's take a look at them and see which ones make the best Christmas gift sets this year. If you are looking to gift someone a L'Oreal box set this Christmas, I'm hoping you'll find this video useful. I have bought all 5 of the L'Oreal Boots gift sets that I was able to find online. These are currently selling at half price, so there are prices on the boxes, but I'm just checking my orders and I'll tell you how much I actually paid at Boots, and I think all of these are going right now at only half price. So if you're looking for a gift set for Christmas, it's a good time to get in and buy one of these, and we'll perhaps have a think about who in your life each box might be most suited for, because certainly I think some of them might be suited more for the younger crowd and some of them maybe for a more mature friend or relative. But before we begin, I have put a base on my face with a couple of other L'Oreal products. So I just want to share with you why I chose them and what I think about them now that I've tried them on my face. I'm going to start with, actually this was a free item from Boots. I think they are doing a deal like spend £15, get a free pore minimizer or something. So I have just tried this on my pores. Initially I just put it on half of my forehead to see whether I thought there was any pore minimizing effect. And I did see a small blurring effect. So I went ahead and kind of applied it on my forehead and my nose and across here. Just to kind of give that a bit of a test run. But then the other product that I was really excited about when I first saw it is called L'Oreal Skin Ink. And this is advertised as a combined concealer foundation. And because I kind of struggle a little bit with concealers, so far I haven't managed to find the right colour. I'm kind of on a continuous journey to try and find the right colour concealer. I thought this might be an interesting product. I have now just sort of applied it kind of all over my face and blended it in with a brush. And to be honest, I don't like it. It's targeted at more of a younger audience, but I think it has gone on my skin really dry, really uneven. It's not doing me any favours. I'm just going to get a mirror up so I can take a look. I mean, it looks fine. It looks okay. As it was going on, it felt dry. It felt like they'd sent me like an opened dry one from the warehouse. Do you know when you think, has this been opened? It feels like it's all sort of dried up in the bottle. So either I got a bad one or they're just kind of dry. Like I said, it kind of looks okay. But I did think as I was putting it on that it was looking very dry around the kind of areas where I have got pores and lines. Now, I don't know if it has just reacted badly with the primer or if it is just a sort of a drying product. I don't feel like it's doing anything. I've got like a few lines here and here, and I feel like it is emphasizing them. And I just sort of, and it felt all patchy around my cheeks. I had to sort of go over and put more makeup on, more of the what's it called, skin ink across my cheeks, because it was looking very patchy where I'd put it kind of on the red areas around my eyes and nose and chin. It just wasn't really spreading and it was kind of looking all patchy and strange, so I had to put more on. I mean, now that I have let it settle, actually the nose is looking pretty bad. Again, I don't know if it's the primer or the concealer, but this is looking worse than I'm used to seeing it. I can definitely see it's all settling into the pores. It's emphasizing them in a way that I don't generally experience. I think the colour is okay. This is in the shade 100 Warm, which seems to be an okay match for me. I just don't like it. maybe my skin is too mature for a product like this now. I mean, it is advertised, I think, to the younger crowd, so probably that's the issue. But if you were tempted, certainly go into the shop and try it, because before you sort of commit spending money on it, because I just don't like it. Maybe I will try it as a concealer, but not as a foundation as well. No, not for me. The other products that I have used on my face just now before we start opening the boxes are the Bronze to Paradise L'Oreal bronzer, and that is in the shade Back to Bronze. I think it says number 3, Back to Bronze. It's one of the lighter shades. I have put that kind of all around my face as a kind of a contour, and on my eyelids as well. It's okay. I think I need to give it another go with a different foundation. It's okay. I'm kind of on the fence about bronzers. Some of them I don't love the shades that they come in. I find this is a bit too warm. It looks a bit muddy on my skin. So I don't know. I think I'll have to give that another go, but I'm not in love with it just yet. On my cheeks, however, I have given this a go. L'Oreal Lumi Liquid Blush. Actually can't see what shade that is. And I've just given that a go on my cheeks. And that's kind of okay. I was a little bit worried about going too heavy, so you probably can't see, there's not a huge amount. I did put a little bit on my eyelids as well. So that's okay. But I kind of wanted to do a full face of L'Oreal, hence why I have chosen and tried these products. I have been a fan of L'Oreal for a long time, so it's interesting to see that I'm maybe moving away from it a little bit now. I'm hoping that what we find in the gift boxes is going to be a little bit more to my skin type and to my taste. But if not, then maybe we just need to say, well, these are lovely gifts, but maybe for someone younger. But let's take a look. Let's take a look at the boxes, and then I will swatch any makeup products that we come across, and I'll finish my makeup actually with some of what we have in here. I'm just referring to my phone to see how much I paid. So the cheapest one of the set here is called Plump and Pout, and that is a lip liner and lip gloss combo. It says these are full-size products. It advertised at £18, but I bought that for £9 online. The next one, Lash Love Duo. Here we have a lash serum and the telescopic lift mascara. And this one is advertised as £25, and I paid £12.50 for this one. There we go, in focus now. Next up, we have Fresh Face. This is advertised at £30. And I paid just £15 for that set there. Next up, we have the Full Look Glam Edition, advertised at £46. And and I paid just £23 for this set. And then last but not least, the one that looks to me like it's probably going to be for the more mature lady in your life, and this is L'Oreal Paris Luxury Beauty Duo, and this is advertised at £50, and I paid just £25 for that one there. So they seem like a good bargain to me, hence why I went ahead and bought the whole set to take a look at. But let's open them up one by one and see what we think of the products and the shades inside. So on the back of the box here, it says we have Colour Riche lip liner in 601 Worth It, and Plump Ambition Hyaluron lip oil also in 601 Worth It. So these lip products are in the shade 601, worth it. Okay, and they look like a nice muted or pale pinkish colour. So, okay, let us swatch this lip liner. That's a nice looking colour. That's kind of right up my streets, that is. And then we have the lip oil here. A really nice sort of dusty mauvey pink there. There we go. So that is our first set, and currently for the bargain price of £9 online. Lash Love Duo. So in here we have a clinically proven lash serum. Interestingly, it doesn't look like it has a mascara tip. It looks like it has like a little brushy end. So I'm not sure how we apply that lash serum. I guess you're going to brush it on close to the lashes. Brush onto the upper and lower lashes from root to tip. Apply morning and night. So this goes all over the lashes. And then we have this telescopic lift waterproof mascara in black. And that's the wand there. Okay, so you can get those two are £25 or currently available for £12.50, I think. Right, next up we have Fresh Face. And in Fresh Face we have 3 products. We have the Pore Minimizer, we have Lash Paradise in black, and we have this, which is Glowy Finish Lips. Glow Paradise Balm in Lipstick 191 Nude Heaven. And that's our lipstick swatch just there. And so that's advertised at £30, but I got that for £15. Next up, the Full Look Glam Edition. So we actually have 6 items in here. We have the 3-second setting mist, which is one that I've just bought and still haven't tried, so that's double up for me. We have another pore minimizer. Okay, so now I have 3 of these. We also have a gel eyeliner in black. We have another telescopic lift mascara, but this time it is not a waterproof one. We've got this Glow Paradise Precision Balm in Gloss. And we have this Matte Resistance Liquid Lipstick Le Rouge Paris. And I'll just swatch this one for you here. Okay, we got a really nice deep red there. So that's advertised at £46, and I would have got that then for £23, which seems like quite good value for all 6 products in there. Last but not least, we have Luxury Beauty Duo for radiant skin and fanned out lashes. So we have here a serum and a panoramic mascara. And so we have in here this Age Perfect Age Defying Serum, which I'm looking forward to trying. And we also have the Panorama Volume Million Lashes, which I think I have used this one before, and it's a really nice mascara. So this set is a little bit on the pricier side because you have the serum and you also have this panoramic mascara. I am just going to finish up by trying out some of these lip products, but what do you think of the sets? I think at half price they certainly seem like good value. I think a lot of the items probably are targeted at the younger generation, so if you have younger women in your life, then they might make good gifts for them. I like the lip liner actually. It's given me a nice firm defined lip line. Not all lip liners do. Sometimes you get a kind of a wishy-washy edge, but that one has gone on pretty firm. And let's see how it looks with its pair from the set. think that looks pretty nice, and it's probably well worth the money if you get it half price. Of the mascaras, one that I haven't tried before is this telescopic lift one, so I am just going to finish up my look with a coat of this. The mascara's going on fine, but this wand is giving me a bit of trouble. It's actually different lengths on different sides, and I was poking myself in the eye a little bit, wondering why why that was happening. And I think it's because a longer edge than I anticipated was kind of touching my touching my eyeball. So maybe not the best one for anyone who's starting to lose their close-up vision and needs a nice easy life. But that mascara, I think, has gone on absolutely fine. And I have to say, I hadn't realised that this was a plumping lip gloss because my lips are currently burning away. I'm sure it's having some sort of plumping effect, but if you are sensitive to burning sensation and plumping lip glosses, then you might want to give this one a miss. I just want to give this product a quick swatch as well. Let's see, how does this appear? We've got a nice shiny glittery effect there from this product as well. So there we have it, a rundown of this season's L'Oreal Boots gift boxes. I hope you find that useful, and maybe there's a gift in here for someone you know. Thank you for watching. Please take a look at one of my other videos linked right up here, and I'll see you next time.